A nice windy day here in the garden. Update with everything going on. All the dahlias have now been planted. I think I'm going to attach these two beds next year so that I can get an actual drip line all the way through. Snapdragon's coming up. Overflow dahlias over here. Zinnias coming up. Lavender's all up. Our delphiniums have got that black fungus on them, and we had that last year too. So we used to have 6 here and now only 1 left. Kind of sucks. We'll get some more. The raspberries are absolutely killing it. You can see tons of fruit. Blueberries. Well, I planted a whole bunch of rhubarb back there. Got blueberries growing. The garlic has kind of been growing. The stuff closer to the raspberries is growing. The stuff farther away from it, not so much. Cannabis, almost up to that 2nd rung. Onions killing it. And then the cucumbers. And some tomatoes. Whoa! The water gun controlled by the Twitch chat. Someone just tried to shoot me there. And then the strawberries are all coming in. It's gonna be a good season for that. Lettuce, we've already been chopping that. Broccoli's all starting to come in now too, which is nice. Shasta daisies. Some rosemary, and the greenhouse is full. We've got tomatoes, peppers in, beans and peas, beans all on this side, and potatoes back here. Potatoes do really well in this greenhouse. I got some free raspberry plants I found on the side of the road that I'm just bringing back to life before we plant. And then the grass. Look at all the grass. It's like you can hardly even tell that there was once a tree here. Our peonies are starting to come in. It took us like 5 years for these things to finally flower. Lupins are pretty much done. Lilac is almost done. The new peach trees are looking good. And then the old ambrosia apple tree is killing it. I think there's 10 apples altogether on this so far. First year, super excited for that. Hey Timber. But this year, guys, it's looking good. The yard's looking great. Grass is coming in really nice. It's gonna be a good year. I think we're gonna get a lot of food production this year. Fingers crossed, fingers crossed. Have you guys got everything planted over there? What are you guys waiting to plant still? Throw some comments below. We are in zone 6A. So everything's starting to explode here. All the different specialties, dahlias, and all the ones we started inside, they're huge. Anyways, fam, happy weekend, happy life. Unbelievable. Peace, love, and cheers.